Hi mathematicians, this video is a review on graphing inequalities. Here's a look at our inequality symbols. We have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and then our lesser known inequality symbol, not equal. The focus on this video is how we graph these inequalities that we have. If we have x is less than 5, the way that you are going to graph this is going to be an open circle at 5 because this cannot equal 5. And then you are going to shade to the less than side of the inequality. Less than or equal to, x is less than or equal to 5. When we're talking about 5, because it's equal to 5, this is going to be a closed circle or shaded in. And we are going to shade on the less than side of the number line. For greater than, if we had x was greater than 5, on our number line, we're going to put 5 in the middle. This is again going to be an open circle because this is not equal to 5. And then we're going to shade on the greater than side of the number line. When x is greater than or equal to 5, again, we're going to put 5 in the middle of our number line. This time we can equal 5, so we're going to shade in. That's going to close dot. And then we're going to shade on the greater than side of the number line. I want to note that sometimes you will see math teachers or mathematicians draw the point, the dot, I don't know what it is, and the line above it. That's okay. Either way, it's personal preference. Last but not least, when we have not equal to, x is not equal to 5. On a graph, we have 5. We have an open circle because it's not equal to 5, but it can be equal to anything else, so we're going to shade both sides.